dancer. On my way, I want a trending topic. Orin wa lonka, orin wa lonka. I'm a 5 year saying my lord change topic. Make you the live story, oh. Make you the live story, oh. Hey, hello, Dodo. Hey, you do yodo. Hey, I ni mo waje o mo ma jacking.
Oh, hi there. My name is Mayo Dada, and if this is your first time stopping by, I'd love to say thank you. So right now, it's morning.
Hey, she's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with duffels in my hands. I did half a Zan, 13 hours till I land. Had me out like a light, like a light, like a light. Slept through the flight, not for the night. 767, man, this shit got double bedroom, man. I still got screws to settle, man. I crept down the.
So I just finished working out, and that took like way longer than I wanted it to, but that's part of life. Right now I'm about to make myself my actual meal for the day. I don't eat before working out because I just don't like doing that. I like being hungry before I work out for some weird reason. It makes my workout a lot more easier. I don't feel like I'm about to throw up. But right now I'm about to open up this juicer, and then I'm about to make myself some scrambled eggs and have it with my Greek yogurt and some sprinkled coconut, so enjoy.
She said, baby, I'm afraid to fall in love. So what if it's not reciprocated? I told her don't rush, girl, with your rush. Guess it's all a game of patience. She said, what if I dive deep? Will you come in after me? Would you share your flowers with me? I told her thinking is I'm wrong. Love will happen when it wants. No, it hurts sometimes, but don't.
I don't have furniture right now, so I'm standing, watching something and eating. You get me?
So we are coming with a force, yeah. Blessings we are reaping, we coursing on.
So here you go. My little stuff looks like an hotel now. I like it. So right now, me and my roommate, we're about to go bike riding. So plan has changed. We're gonna go leave in an hour to go cycling. And yeah, that's it. Alright guys, so I'm about to go out with my roommate. We're about to go cycling, like I said. Remember that time the plans got cancelled, but yeah, I'm about to go again. And your roommate there right now? She's downstairs right now. My roommate is downstairs. You said what?
You're in the middle.
Yeah, I'm in the middle floor right now. But yeah, we're about to go out and actually do some summery thing. I need to wear my face mask, grab my face mask too. I don't want to forget that. Hey everyone. We're going bike riding today. Wait, didn't you used to actually have small vlogs that you used to post? Hello. Wait, why did you stop? I actually used to watch your stuff though. Taking a break.
Can you focus on me?
How you feel now that you got your bike? I'm happy.
It looks like a bird boy. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
How you feel?
No. A lot is missing right now.
Stuck in the zone, and you don't ever cook.
Alright, so this is what I got. I got a burger and I got fries. I just got back home like not too long ago. I'm really tired. We cycled for like an hour and got food, got chased down by a dog. And let me see what else happened. Yeah, we got chased down by a dog. We got food. I went grocery shopping. Got like a couple of things. Because I have to cook jollof rice sometimes. I got some sugar that I want to wax my body. I got some hot mango juice. I just got hand tanned. You can tell I'm really tired. I'm like so exhausted. Adulthood is not easy, man. And I still have to set up my furniture tonight. I don't know how long that's gonna take. I'll probably give up. But right now I'm about to take a shower. I just got out the shower and I'm on the bed with my shoulders. You guys want to say anything to the camera? Oh, we're on the vlog? Yeah. First of all, my stage name is Mayo Dada. I'm sorry. Edit that out. I'll edit that out. Oh my god, guys. Mayo Dada, you know what I'm saying? Hi everyone, today's day 2. My eyebrows are still a mess. I waxed my armpit myself. Don't know why I gave you guys that information, but I just worked out, took a shower, and now I'm about to go to my friend's place. She lives like 10 minutes away from me, so I'm about to walk down to her space and chill with her. I haven't seen her in like 3 or 4 years since she graduated college, but she lives right next to me, and I'm just about to go hang out with my shorty. But I'm not really wearing anything special. This is what I'm wearing. I'm just wearing like joggers and some crop top, and I just wrapped my hair up. I'm so hungry though. But yeah, I'm about to go.
Trusting in the fans, but they shoot us dead. How you stay clean around some page, make it make sense. I make a milli real quick. And when you black, it's just some shit you gotta deal with. It's 2020 and they still don't see the issue. You scared, so you grab your pistol. You got a badge, but you ain't.
So I just got back home, and guys, look at my armpit. I started waxing, and my armpit like has not been the same. I do sugar waxing, but anyways, as I was saying, I just got back home. I want to set up my my bed frame tonight. I'll start. I don't know for a fact. I want to get started on that, so you guys are about to watch me do that. You guys are about to watch me do that. Okay, guys, my skin really got better. Like I used to have very bad skin, but I accept this.
Say nothing's wrong at all, baby.
So this is what we're dealing with right now. I'm about to actually set everything up.
In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. And the truth is, I hide it. That's just the way we are. Can say I love you. Go back while you tweaking. Come around with that rah-rah. I love you when it's like that. If it was.
I've never seen someone like vlog. I hope you're not recording me.
I'm about to cook some jollof rice. No, let me stop. Okay, so guys, I'm about to cook some jollof rice right now. I got goat meat. I got some chicken. I got some gizzard, and I have plantains. But first of all, I have to boil the pepper, and I have to boil the chicken and the goat meat. I don't want to cook that much, honestly, because why would I cook that much? I'm not going to eat it after one day, knowing me. So yeah, let's get into this video.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. You can't be replaced. So no one else can do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Love is a one in a million. It goes on.
So I just got back home from IKEA. I spent like 4 hours out today. I left my house around 11:30 and it's like 6 o'clock. I was looking everywhere for a desk and a chair, When I tell you everything is sold out, everything is freaking sold out. Like, I literally have to order these things online. And I'm so irritated because I just need a desk and a chair by Monday. And you know what's so annoying? The fact that IKEA keeps putting stuff out there. Like, please remove things that are already sold out. Nobody wants to see that it's unavailable. Like, I don't want to see that. Just remove it. Don't let me get excited for like something really affordable and then you're like, it's sold up, it's sold up, it's sold. I don't care. I just don't. Anyways, I'm about to fully set up my bed now. Whew, I just ranted, guys. I apologize. But I'm about to set up my bed because that's what you do when you're single. You ain't got a ring on your finger. Now, I know why people need men. I used to be like, I don't need a man for anything in my life. But I see it now. I get it. I get it. I do. Anyways, I'm about to set it up. I got myself this candles at Home Goods. I got myself some out socks because you need that. I'm not allowing shoes in my apartment. Some underwear, some bulbs for my nightstand. Got myself another pot for my plants. I want to get one more. Light bulbs. I don't know what these are called, but I got it to paint. Got this also, a roller. I got myself some paint. Got myself something to spray my paint stuff with. I got myself some beans. Got myself a new foundation from air fresheners from Bath & Body Works. I got myself this for my bed. I got this for my bed. Now let's get the party started. Oh yeah, I got myself heels from Home Goods. Honestly, that's everything I got.
I don't know your story, and I know you don't know mine.
I'm about to go out. I'm about to go for drinks with shorties. What I am wearing with this.
I see right through your eyes, so just look me in mine and try not to lie, 'cause I know you, baby.
Guys, look at Zainab. This is Grace.
Oh no, we gotta do that again.
And this is Zainab.
Oh.
Okay, give it. Literally. I'm about to head out. Everyone, I'm about to head out to the beach with my friends, and it's about to be fun.